I remember it was our second year in college, and our professor gave us a pop quiz. Now, I was a conscientious student. I breezed through all the questions until I read the last one. Well, hello, everybody, and welcome back to Stepping Stones to Your Success. This is Garland, and we're going to jump right into fundamental natural law number 6. We will meet many people. They are all significant. They all deserve our attention and care, even if all we do is just smile and say hello. Let me tell you a quick story about the importance of remembering those that serve. I remember it was our second year in college, and our professor gave us a pop quiz. Now, I was a conscientious student. I breezed through all the questions until I read the last one. The last question that was asked is, what is the first name of the woman that cleans the school? Surely this was some kind of joke. I'd seen the cleaning lady several times. She was tall, dark, in her 50s, but how would I know her name? I handed in my paper, but I left that last question blank. Just before the class ended, one of the students asked if that last question was going to count towards our quiz grade. Absolutely, said the professor. He went on to explain, in your careers, folks, you're going to meet many people. All are significant. They deserve your attention and care, even if all you do is just smile and say hello. I never forgot that lesson, and I learned that her name is Shirley. The author of this story is unknown, but the message is really powerful. We will meet many people. They are all significant. They all deserve our attention and care, even if all we do is just smile and say hello. Have a wonderful evening. All the best to your family, and we'll be back to you real soon.